Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Sentra key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. This helps prevent losing small parts and ensures you can see what you're doing clearly. Taking these initial steps will make the entire process much smoother and protect your key fob from any accidental damage. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the physical key might emerge. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic casing or internal components. It should separate with a soft click. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or even a picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Now it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and gently press them back together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming it's securely closed. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working perfectly. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your refreshed key fob.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.